Okay, let's jump right into this incredibly practical explainer of Sanjay Samuel's AI Tips Initiative. If you've been searching for a way to work smarter and not harder, well, you found it. We're going to walk through a highly structured playbook that's designed to seriously boost your daily efficiency. And honestly, the absolute best part of all this, it relies entirely on 100% free tools.
So we're looking at a 15-tip playbook here. Every single tool we're going to talk about today, powerhouses like ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude, and NotebookLM, they are completely free to use. You don't need a single paid subscription or any crazy technical skills to start optimizing your workflow right this second.
To keep this super digestible, we've organized these 15 tips into 4 main buckets: accelerate learning and tasks, advance your career, boost content and design, and master data and business.
Let's kick things off with our very first thematic pillar, accelerate learning and tasks.
Tips 1 and 2 are all about instant comprehension. Instead of slogging through some massive, boring document, you can just paste any long article, PDF, or confusing topic straight into ChatGPT, Gemini, or Claude. This literally saves you hours of reading and completely stops that feeling of just being overwhelmed. Because like the playbook says, the problem usually isn't the topic, it's just how poorly it's explained.
And the secret sauce is using this exact phrasing. Just type, "Summarize this in simple bullet points." Keep it short and easy to understand. Or, if you're dealing with a really tough concept, tell the AI, "Explain this like I am a complete beginner." Use simple words and one real-life example. These precise instructions turn giant walls of text into quick, punchy insights, instantly.
Moving on to tips 3 and 4, we're looking at radically improving how you study and get things done. First off, you can actually turn your notes into ready-to-use quiz cards, which helps you remember things way faster. Second, if you have a huge, daunting task, the kind you keep procrastinating on, you can have the AI break it down into a really clear, numbered plan. The key here is to use this exact prompt, break this task into simple step-by-step actions. Assume I am doing this for the very first time. It's brilliant because you get instant clarity, you stop overthinking, and you always know exactly what your very next step is. Okay, let's shift gears to our second pillar: advance your career. Because we all know you shouldn't just tell employers what you can do, you have to actually show them.
Tip 5 is a total game changer if you're job hunting. It's this super simple 1-2-3 method to get a professional resume and portfolio website up and running for free. You just give the AI your name, skills, and experience, ask it for the HTML code for a portfolio, and then paste that code directly into GitHub pages. It is literally that easy.
When you do this, you instantly get a shareable profile link and incredible recruiter visibility. Plus, you get to make a super strong first impression, and you didn't even have to hire a web developer. It gives you so much confidence when you're applying for roles.
Tips 6 and 7 teach us a really fundamental rule. Don't just apply more, apply smarter. You can actually ask the AI to analyze a job description against your specific resume to see exactly what matches up and what you're missing. And then, before a big pitch or interview, you can paste your presentation into the AI and ask it to play the role of a tough, critical audience to stress test your ideas.
The benefits of doing this are just massive. You get perfect role alignment for every single application. You build a much stronger resume, and you ensure you have zero blind spots before you even open your mouth. You're basically guaranteed to ace the Q&A.
Building on that professional foundation, let's roll right into Pillar 3, boost content and design. Let's talk about building your personal brand.
For tips 8 and 9, the playbook reminds us of the golden rule of marketing: attention follows relevance. These tips show you how to effortlessly generate 10 trending topics with killer hooks for your specific niche. They also show you how to spot structural patterns in posts that have already gone viral, so you can just replicate what's already working.
Don't just guess what's going to hit. Learn the pattern by using this exact prompt. Analyze these posts. Find patterns in hooks, structure, and tone. How can I apply them? This gives you a much smarter strategy and practically guarantees higher engagement on your next post.
Tips 10 and 11 tackle the visual side of things. Because let's face it, great visuals are what make people actually stop scrolling. Even if you have absolutely zero design skills, you can ask AI to whip up clean, modern posters or highly engaging infographics using minimal design and clear icons.
And the tools for this, ChatGPT, Gemini, DALL, and Canva AI, they are all free.
This completely removes the barrier of needing expensive software or hiring a graphic designer just to make your content look professional and expand your reach.
All right, let's bring it home with our fourth and final pillar, master data and business. This is where raw numbers turn into clear stories. Tips 12 and 13 are for anyone who stares at a boring Excel or CSV file and just feels lost. You can upload those files directly to ChatGPT or Gemini and instantly get key trends, hidden patterns, and visual dashboards. You do not need to be a data scientist to get the big picture anymore.
Just feed it this prompt. Create a business dashboard from this data. Show trends, KPIs, and charts. Keep it simple. Boom! You get lightning-fast visual insights. This empowers you to make way better business decisions without needing any technical skills at all. Now, tip 14 takes this automation to a crazy new level. If you give your business name, services, and goals to Claude or ChatGPT, it will actually generate the full HTML code for an entire 5-page business website. Home, about, services, contact, you name it. Then you just host it on Netlify for free. You save thousands of dollars and get instant global visibility.
And for our grand finale, tip 15, enter NotebookLM from Google. The whole vibe of this tool is one input, many possibilities. It is the ultimate way to turn one single document into a bunch of different, versatile formats.
The absolute coolest thing here is that you don't even need a written prompt. Just follow 3 steps. Go to the site, upload your notes or PDF, and pick what you want. It will automatically convert that document into an engaging audio podcast, a set of presentation slides, or a detailed summary. So, we've just covered 15 ridiculously powerful, completely free techniques from Sanjay Samuel's playbook to help you work smarter. The only question you need to ask yourself right now is, with all these tools sitting right at your fingertips, which task are you going to simplify first today?